आउज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम अल्लाह की फ़ज़ल व करम से दोबारा से हिल पार्क में मौजूद हैं। हम अपने बच्चों के साथ आए हैं, यहाँ पे अभी हम खूब इंजॉय करेंगे। गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिसन टू द आइटिनरी। यू नो व्हाट इज आइटिनरी? डू यू नो व्हाट इज आइटिनरी? Itinerary means that these are the list of things we are going to do. Now we are going to do two things. Okay, listen to me. There are two extremes in this park which we are going to enjoy today. First of all, we will go in that direction. Look, okay, we will go straight into that direction and all the way to those swings. Got it?
And also wait for Zoboy.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Arey, listen to me, Mr. Usman. We have to wait for the pro boy.
We can start.
Acha, listen, we can start playing right now over here. You got. Oh, the pro boy is here. He's already here. Zavi, don't scream in the mic, please. Yeah, mashallah. Okay, I have to first take permission of pro boy Baba. Listen to me, guys. Listen to me, guys. Assalamu alaikum, pro boy. Listen to me. We have an itinerary. Pro boy, you know what is itinerary? Acha, itinerary means that these are the
Nobody
list of
knows
things.
what is itinerary.
Yes, you guys don't know. Acha, what we are going to do? Zavi, Aban, come here. Guys, come here. Listen to me. This is what we are going to do. We are first going to go in that direction all the way to the swings. It's a very cool and a
But
very.
that's a dangerous swing, it will fall.
No, we are not going on the
And our
swings.
head will be broken.
No, we are not going on the swings. We are just going in that direction, okay? We will first go over there. We will have fun over there. Then we will go in that direction, all the way to the extreme. It's a jungle type area, okay? But you have to be close to us.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do everything. You want to, you can, look,
know secrets hideout.
you know? Okay, so let's start our journey from this side, okay?
Then we'll go in the end to the RC.
Acha, listen, pro
Let's
boy,
go.
listen. Xavier has a mic. If you want to say something, na, you can come near Xavier
Over
and you
here.
can talk in here, okay? So we would like to hear
Let's go.
what you want to show. Chalo,
Let's
let's
go.
go.
We have to go to those swings.
Oh God.
No, those are the dangerous swings which kill us. Boys
Oh,
in
भाई,
they shouldn't notice
अब
you.
बच्चों के साथ यहाँ पे आए हैं पार्क में
Oh boy,
थोड़ी सी
sorry,
healthy activity
sorry,
करने के लिए।
sorry. Can you take cars?
Let's see.
BYD. I
यहाँ
think
पे
this is.
एक्सप्लोर करने लगे हैं बच्चों के वालिदैन से हमने
No.
वालिदैन से नहीं
Yeah.
Zavi Jani, come here. And you have to be very careful. Zavi, listen. If you will keep on screaming, na, the mic will catch a lot of screaming sound. Acha, Zavi Jan, I would like you and your friends to talk in the mic, okay?
Okay, boss.
Zavi Jan. I have an idea. Give me the mic. Because you are screaming too much.
Look at it.
Yeah, airplane, man. Yeah, man. Slamming sideways. What does that mean? Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Acha, can you guys just walk a little bit slower? Okay. Yeah. Like, look at this. What does Prohan pool without water? Chalo. Let's go. अच्छा वो कैसे चलो ठीक Yes, actually, listen to me. Please stay with me, okay? That's a spooky area. Very. You're not scared? Aban is scared.
No.
You are scared? No? Acha, at least stay with us. चलो यार ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे मैं अपने अब्बू जान के साथ बचपन में बहुत आया करता था। और मज़े की बात यह है कि अब तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा जंगल हो चुका है। ऐसे ये जंगली माहौल यहाँ का नहीं था, ये शदीद जंगली हो चुका है माहौल। लेकिन यहाँ पे घास हुआ करती थी, अब तो यहाँ पे ये जंगली घास है और यहाँ पे कचरा बहुत ज़्यादा है। लेकिन पहले यहाँ घास हुआ करती थी और अब्बू जान के साथ मैं हर सुबह आता था, स्पेशली ऑन सैटरडेज एंड संडेज। और यहाँ पे अभी मैं आगे जाऊँगा ना, मैं आपको दिखाऊँगा पत्थर के टीले बने हुए छोटे छोटे, उस पर चढ़ के मैं और अब्बू जान बैठा करते थे। और पार्क में आए हुए जितने भी बुज़ुर्ग हजरात होते थे हम उनको अस्सलामु अलैकुम करते थे। अब्बू जान ने यहीं से ये तरबियत हमारी शुरू करवाई थी। तो अब तो यहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा घास है कि ज़रा थोड़ा डर भी लगता है कि यहाँ पे कोई सांप वगैरह ना हो, लेकिन ओवरऑल अच्छा नो वी विल गो ऑल द वे टू द एक्सट्रीम पार्ट। Zuhan, that secret hideout that you wanted to show us, it's over here. It's on the other side. Okay. First, let's go.
Oh, I forgot to show you something. You love spicy Cheetos. You love it. What?
You love spicy Cheetos, na? You look at this. Oing.
Spicy Cheetos.
Hey. Zavi, listen to me. You were showing it to him. At least let him see it properly.
It's actually alive here. I can put my hand over here.
Oh, look.
How?
Oh my God.
You also can.
You can shake hands like this also.
Let me try it.
You can even shake hands like this.
I can also look.
Eh? Acha, let's go on that side. Come here. Guys, come. Why do all of you want to run like this, like in a Naruto position? No, but Ninja Turtles also do that, and Naruto also does that. Why? It doesn't even increase the speed. Sonic, yeah. वाह, जबरदस्त, खूबसूरत, ड्राउनी। यार यहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा घास हो चुकी है कि मुझे तो यहाँ पे वो पहाड़ियाँ नज़र ही नहीं आ रही, पत्थर के टीले या पहाड़ियाँ जो भी थी। दिस इज़ टू मच फॉलिएज। रोमाना बाजी, अगर आप इसे देख रही हैं तो ये वो जगह थी जहाँ मैं आपको लेके आना चाहता था, पर यहाँ पे सारी घास मर चुकी थी। आप गई हैं, आप बुजुर्ग हस्ती हैं, आपके जाने के बाद यहाँ पे इतनी हरियाली हो चुकी है। जब आप आए थे तो यहाँ पे बंजर माहौल था। What is it?
Such a special glass.
अच्छा, wait. It's not a special glass. It's a very dangerous glass. It can cut your hand. Put it back on the side and be very. It's not a special glass, Zavi. It's the glass of Team or Sprite. It's. आप लोग आ सकते हैं वीडियो में। अच्छा, ये हमारे जो हैं वालिद हैं, दोनों जो जावी की फ्रेंड्स हैं, बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं। मैं इनका ज़्यादा तारुफ नहीं कराऊंगा बिकॉज जाहिर सी बात है, हर किसी की अपनी एक सीक्रेट लाइफ होती है। तो ये बहुत, मेरी भी फरहान से तो मैं आज मिला हूँ और उस्मान मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं। मुझसे इनकी उम्र में इतना गैप है मेरे और उस्मान के कि ये मेरे लिए निकाह के लिए जो एक लड़का और लड़की में जो इतना गैप होना चाहिए उतना गैप है हमारे दरमियान, लेकिन ये मेरे दोस्त बने हुए हैं माशाल्लाह। लेकिन फरहान, आपकी क्या उम्र है? आप भी छोटे ही होंगे मुझसे।
नहीं, 40।
अच्छा, चलो हम बराबर हैं, चलो सही है। तो आप जो है हमारे दरमियान गैंगस्टर बॉय हैं, यंग बॉय हैं आप हमारे दरमियान, सही है जी। क्या खड़ा हुआ है? क्या खड़ा हुआ है? एग पे खड़ा हुआ है। अच्छा, एज पे खड़ा हुआ है। भाई गाइस, बी केयरफुल।
अगर जेल में ऐसे एक हफ्ता पड़ेगा हम मर जाएंगे।
अच्छा, हमारे पास जो है ना, पाकिस्तान में रहते हुए इतनी ज़्यादा कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं होती हैं, तो हम इसी को जो है ना अपना वो एरिज़ोना और वो कैलिफोर्निया की जंगलात समझ के इंजॉय करते हैं कि हम जो है ना ज़बरदस्त किसी जंगल में आ गए हैं। काश कि हमारे पास और हालात अच्छे होते हैं। बेटा बेटा, योर शूज विल बी फुल ऑफ सैंड, देन यू विल से कि समथिंग इज पिंचिंग मी।
But Zohar is also doing it.
Yeah, but Zohan's, look at Zohan's shoes. They are tough. Your shoes, they will be full of. जी, आ जाओ। एक मिनट, ये इस आखिरी कोने तक चलते हैं ना बच्चों को लेके।
Level 3. Level 3.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे ना ये अभी तो क्योंकि विंटर का सीजन है, ये आपका कितना हुआ यहाँ पे आना? कभी हिल पार्क ज्यादा आते हैं? ये जो है ना, ये एक आर्च बनी हुई होती है खूबसूरत पेड़ की, बड़े खूबसूरत आर्च होती है। यहाँ पे जब डिप्रेशन होता है ना, या जब बेगम ने खफा किया होता है, तो यहाँ में आके ना ऐसे यहाँ पे फिरता हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ यार ये कितनी अच्छी लाइफ है, ये इंजॉयमेंट मिलती है। और फिर आखिर, अच्छा ये फर्स्ट टाइम, ये आपका अगर अब हार्डीज जो अब बंद हो चुका है, हार्डीज के इलाके से आओ ना, तो वहाँ से इसकी एंट्री है। हम उसको आखिरी कोने तक जाएंगे। और मैं शादी से पहले भी, और जब मेरा बेटा ये जावियार छोटा था और ये बहुत छोटा था, तो मैं सुबह, क्योंकि मुझे सुबह उठने की आदत है, तो मैं सुबह उठ के यहाँ पे आया करता था और यहाँ पे बैठ के वीडियोस बनाता था सबसे पहले। जी जी, क्या है ये?
Secret platform,
सीक्रेट
Zohar is saying.
प्लेटफॉर्म।
Look.
Oh, Zuhan, have you watched Stranger Things? No? Zavi has watched it. This could be a portal for the another world. Yeah,
Another dimension.
another dimension. Guys, a little baby is with you, okay? Take care of him. This little baby.
रेस्टोरेंट या कोई चीज बनी नहीं थी।
भाई यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ था। यहाँ पे कम्युनिटी टाउन हॉल था, पता नहीं ये शायद टाउन हॉल था, क्या था? नहीं बेटा, डोंट गो देयर।
Room. Over there. There.
नहीं बेटा, डोंट गो देयर, देयर इज मोर बेटर एरियाज ओवर देयर। चलो,
Now let's go to level 5.
लेवल 5।
No running.
अच्छा, ये एरिया है ना, यहाँ मैं अपने वालिद साहब के साथ सुबह सुबह आया करता था, इसलिए मेरी ये नॉस्टैल्जिक वैल्यूज हैं। यहाँ ऊपर बैठ के अब्बू जान हमें सबको सलाम करवाया करते थे। तो यहाँ पे सारे बुजुर्ग होते थे, अब तो बुजुर्ग नजर ही नहीं आ रहे। सुबह सैटरडे और संडे जी जी, सुबह सुबह यहाँ बैठे थे, खूबसूरत प्यारे प्यारे बूढ़े बाबा होते थे। एक मुझे बहुत प्यारे भी लगते थे। तो वो अब्बू जान कहते थे बेटा इनको सलाम करो, आप इनको सलाम करो। तो आदत वहाँ से डली सबको अस्सलामु अलैकुम करने की।
There he is.
अब यहाँ पे इतनी ग्रास हो गई है, ये वाइल्ड वाली ग्रास।
Oh, another secret area.
अभी देखो, अगर इसको प्रिजर्व करें,
Jumping in.
हाँ, you can jump here, okay. This used to be a sort of a artificial
It's like another
stream or whatever you can say.
water. Comes from
Yeah, water used to flow in it thousands of years ago.
Just like your years ago.
Yeah, like your years ago. ये तो भाई एज पे आ गए भाई बच्चे, just like your years ago.
Okay, मैं तू
अब आपको नहीं पता ये कैसे होता है। छत की
What? I'm very big, Baba.
मुझे ये एरिया इतना अच्छा लगता है। मैं अपने बेटे को ना, जी बेटा, वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जावी, you know whenever I come here, what is my prayer to Allah Taala? Huh?
Oh, you want a home over here?
Yeah man, and how do I want it? I don't want to struggle for it.
You want when you wake up one morning, a paper should be on your dressing table. It's written you have to take a home here.
जायदाद के कागजात मेरी ड्रेसिंग टेबल पे रखे हुए हो, मैं सुबह उठूं, अरे ये क्या है? अरे उमैर हमीदुद्दीन, आपका जो है 5000 एकड़ पे जो है घर जो है हिल पार्क के पास। Our Babas have left. Oh man, our Babas have left.
Giant rocks we are now.
Actually, I wanted to bring cricket and bat, but then I thought कि not today. You should explore more, right? What? Cricket and bat?
Cricket.
Cricket.
It's back.
But I think Aban, only you know how to play cricket. Xavier doesn't know. Gigi,
I know.
you know you can play cricket. Do you know how to play cricket?
I'm good at bowling.
Acha, that's very cool, man.
Football master. I'm the football master.
You are a football master. Oi. You have found treasure. What is it? He found some treasure.
Rainbow flag.
Rainbow fluck. I don't know. Ji
And
beta.
actually,
Ji.
I combined football with taekwondo.
Football with taekwondo. That means you are a dangerous player. You hit you hit your opponents.
No.
Hey, he wants to. Come here, Zavi. We are going to that part. Come. The secret dimension. Zavi, come back. It's a slippery area. Guys, please don't go there. Please. Assalamu alaikum.
I saw it.
Guys, say salam. Say, no, come here. Oh, ma'am, खफा नहीं हो ना? हाँ, चलो, सलाम. चलो. Thank you. Oh, be careful. This is a downhill. Zavi, on a downhill. Huh? Just look at your city from here. The beautiful city of Karachi, full of mashallah pollution. Acha guys, come here. You want to travel to that part? But listen, wait. First, let me go there. Let me check. That's a poo. Wait, hold on, because I am afraid. First, let me check out if this area is safe or not. Okay, it's safe. You can come here. It's safe. Just watch out for the potty. Watch out for the potty. Check out this property, man. I will have a house over here very soon.
Maybe you won't.
What if I do?
But maybe you won't.
Prohan, be careful, baby. Come. There's nothing. Be careful.
Zohan, be
Go and help your friend.
Scorpion.
Chalo. He's a pro, man. Chalo.
Scorpion. Go.
There is no scorpion. Look at this beautiful view. Isn't this beautiful? Huh?
I'll just go.
Oh! Look at that! The most beautiful place on earth, Kidney Hill! Over there!
Oh, Kidney Hill. Zohan, can you see?
Zahan?
Kidney Hill.
Zohan, have you ever been to Kidney Hill? On the top of the hill? Have you ever climbed? Yeah. How about next Saturday we go to Kidney Hill?
No, we can also after this go to Kidney Hill.
No, after this we will go for breakfast.
I can not.
Why not?
Saturday.
Why?
Look, going.
Where?
I'm throwing it in this sand.
Wait a minute. No. Guys. Never throw a stone in the direction where you can actually look. It's a downhill. Somebody could be walking down there and their head can look over there. There's an uncle sitting over there. Can you see? And look at that uncle. He's climbing up the hill. So if you guys throw a stone,
That auntie was
yeah, that auntie was so.
so scary.
No, she was not scary, but she asked you to shake hands with her. But you don't shake hands with everyone. Sometimes they can be dangerous. But chalo theek hai, you were a polite person. You went and you shook hands. That's fine. But sometimes it could be dangerous. Okay, I was with you. Chalo, let's go now. Let's go back now to the other extreme where Prohan is going to show us a secret cave something. Chalo, let's go.
That's boy, let's go. Oh, that's a water bottle. I'll tell you.
That's a water bottle. I think you don't need to pick it up.
That's a
Chalo,
water bottle.
chalo, let's go.
Bro, I think someone survived. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, he's okay. He's fine. He's in a jungle. Guys, you can pretend that you are in a jungle. Yeah, that's what friends do. They clean them up. Good job. Be careful. Watch your hands. Oh, you got scratched by this. Check out his head. He's fine? Yeah, he's fine. Acha, guys, now listen. Guys, first of all, go over there easily. Hold each other's hand.
No, I'll tell them this.
Listen to me. Hold each other's hand. Walk carefully. Acha,
This actually scratched.
yeah, that's fine. That's so cool.
Bro,
चलो
My band actually spreaded.
yeah चलो चलो now guys go
Actually, a hole here now.
I saw guys can we first go out of this place then we will check each other out see first go out very carefully hold each other's hand Xavier hold Prohan's hand go walk together yeah help each other yes I'm right behind you guys I'm right behind you go I'm right behind you be careful oh that's fine good job guys good job
Good.
easy peasy
That's
that's a blanket that is not a blanket I think it's someone's torn bag chalo now let's go to the other extreme of this park watch out for the potty watch out for the burned potty it looks burned chalo bhai yeah the burned potty chalo now the opposite direction let's go
अगर नहीं चलोगे तो मुझे बताना मैं गोद में ले लूंगा
chalo guys hey buddy what happened you got hurt no you're a tough guy come on let's go
आराम आराम से हमारा भागना मत आराम आराम
Acha guys don't run too much otherwise you will get tired walk it's fine baby
It actually hurts.
it hurts okay Zavi just massage your friend over there rub it it will be fine
Are you fine? Okay?
yeah good job Allah Hafiz
Walk slowly.
if you guys will run too much you will get tired early cheat तो yes alhamdulillah
मैं अभी मंगल को
विद इन पाकिस्तान ये जो है ना विद इन पाकिस्तान क्या बोल रहा हूँ विद इन कराची दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द लग्जरीज ऑफ लाइफ आप इसको एंजॉय कर सकते हैं और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि कैमरा जो है वो वॉइस को पकड़ रहा होगा क्योंकि कल मैंने और जावी ने तकरीबन 5 व्लॉग्स रिकॉर्ड किए एंड वी आर नॉट वेरी प्रोफेशनल विद द व्लॉग्स जी क्या हुआ वेयर आर यू गोइंग जी
When I actually go to the secret passage, there's an open gate. We can actually touch the ducks.
Really? Come. हाँ जान. ओए. चलो. अच्छा चलो आ जाओ. Let's go to the other end of this park. You stuck? चलो. Let's go to the other end of this park. Let's go. अच्छा now Aban also has to try. चलो. Aban you also try. Wait babies. Okay. Aban had to do it. If Zavi had done one thing, I have to also do it. चलो शाबाश.
चलो आ जाओ उसको एक लेवल ऊपर करना पड़ेगा
हाँ.
सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं आएगी उससे एक लेवल ऊपर ये हेल्दी कंपटीशन
जबरदस्त चलो आ जाओ Yeah. अच्छा.
अब ऊपर भी
This tree stinks. Yeah, there can be some potty or something. अच्छा Zavi चलो come.
How do I get down?
You have to figure it out. You have. No, you're not stuck. Come on. हाँ चलो. Yeah, there is a platform right behind you. Go. Put your foot down. Shabash. It's a good thing if you fall a little bit. Go. Chalo shabash. Yes. Got it? Yes, good boy. Chalo.
चलो आ जाओ
That's so cool. Zohan came to help you out. That's fine.
And I also got the crab.
Okay.
हम लोग तो रोज घुटने छील के आते थे बचपन में
ये छोटी मेहनत है. अच्छा हाँ देखें यार ये वो एरिया है जहाँ पे मैं अपने अब्बू जान के साथ ऊपर जाता था. मैं और मेरा छोटा भाई ऊपर हम वहाँ चढ़ के बैठते थे और अब्बू जान हमसे यहाँ पे सबको सलाम करवाया करते थे। आपको अपने जो है बच्चों के साथ ये एक्टिविटीज़ करनी चाहिए। क्यों करनी चाहिए? बिकॉज अगर आप चाहते हो कि वो स्मार्टफोन्स छोड़ें, वो घर से बाहर निकलें, धूप लें, तो ये करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। आपको थोड़ा सा अपनी सुस्ती से निकलना पड़ेगा और आपको उनके साथ वक्त गुजारना पड़ेगा, उनके साथ उनकी क्यूरियोसिटी को जो है चैलेंज करना पड़ेगा ताकि वो शो एंजॉय करें। ये वो एक मज़ेदार जगह है जो कि सर्दियों की वजह से थोड़ी बंजर है, लेकिन वैसे फुल ऑफ ग्रीनरी होती है। और यहाँ पे एक आर्च बना हुआ है, दरख्तों का झुरमुट, जहाँ पे आके मैं अपने डिप्रेशन का हल निकालता हूँ। वीडियो को यहाँ पॉज करते हैं और दूसरे एक्सट्रीम पे जब पहुँचेंगे तो हम इसको दोबारा कंटिन्यू करेंगे। You have to keep the baby with you because listen to me, you have to keep the baby. Yeah. अच्छा listen. Yeah, we have to go over there.
गाड़ी से लोग पानी वानी
जी बहुत अच्छी बात है। ओए ओफ I'm fine। चलो गाइस, आप लोग पानी पियोगे और मैं भी यार ये ट्राइपॉड रख देता हूँ, इसका मेरे ख्याल से जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी मुझे।
आ जाओ अबान।
तो भाई की जो है वो पाँव गई है, भाई फिसल के गिर गया है, लेकिन भाई जो है वो लोहे का बना हुआ है तो उसको चोट नहीं आई। लेकिन यार भाई इसलिए गिर गया है, भाई ने सामान बहुत पकड़ा हुआ है। अभी मैं जब आगे आऊँगा ना फ्रंट कैमरे में तो आप देखोगे, पिस्तौल लगाई हुई है, बेल्ट पाउच लगाया हुआ है, दुनिया जहान का सामान। और ये सामान अब मैं रखने लगा हूँ गाड़ी में, बिकॉज आई थिंक मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली। उस्मान भाई, दादा ये खोलोगे आप, ये पीछे वैसे ही डाल दोगे, ये चीज़ सिर्फ ये डाल दो पीछे आप। थैंक यू मेरे भाई। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल लुक एट द डक्स, देन वी विल गो इनटू दैट एरिया।
I'm not looking at the ducks. I'm going to my secret area.
Okay, the secret area. Who is calling? Oh, you feeling hot? अच्छा, नहीं बेटा, थैंक यू, शुक्रिया। अच्छा, be careful बेटा जान, आ जाओ। अच्छा, प्रोहान wants to show a secret area.
Yeah, but I'm looking at the ducks. Can we look at the ducks?
चलो first look at the ducks.
Ducks? No. They live in such a dirty gutter.
Yeah, look at the gutter water. Oh good Allah. These ducks are so tough. They can survive in this water. Just imagine how tough they are. Acha, do you know why these ducks are coming near us? They want food.
Hey, ducks, can I ask a question?
Yeah, please ask them questions.
Dad, how do you live in such a disgusting old pond?
Because we have become tough. We are Ninja Turtles.
Ninja turtles are under your water.
Under your water. चलो. Oh, look at this.
Oh!
Food time.
Chew up! Chew! Or I'll slap you!
You don't need to slap them.
Can we feed the ducks?
Yeah, we can, but let's not feed them
Why?
because uncle has already given them food. Then the whole world will come over here. Chalo, let's go. They are so pretty. Let's go.
नेटवर्क बंद है।
Do you know something? These ducks can bite very badly. Ah, very dangerous.
Another very big. Hey, no food for you.
नेटवर्क ही बंद किया हुआ उन्होंने, व्हाट्सएप आपका वाईफाई पे चल रहा है।
आ जाओ guys. अच्छा चलो, Zavi and Aban, let's check out the secret hideout that Prohan wants to show us.
Okay.
Come on, Prohan.
Here we can show
Yeah,
the entire city.
you can show the entire city. Okay. Prohan, I hope it's not that round area. Is that the area where you're taking us? Acha, chalo, let's go. First of all, we have to. No, this is the area. From here we will go. Here. Yeah, come on. Lead the way, guys. Oh my goodness! You're on the top of the world, man. Chalo, let's go. Yeah? There are obstacles? Yeah. Yeah, there are obstacles. It's just like we are in a maze.
Parkour.
What on earth is happening over there? I think they're having some kind of Milli Nagma stuff.
Parkour time, bro.
Parkour time.
Number 2.
Zavi, Abhan also knows how to do parkour. No, you don't?
What's parkour?
Parkour is type of a sports you run through obstacles.
Yeah, I actually know.
Actually, Abhan's Baba purposely changed his school. I will not mention the name of the school. Guys, don't mention the name of your schools. Listen to me. No, none of you are supposed to tell the name of your schools. Listen to me. Abhan's Baba changed the school because in his school they do a lot of sports activities. So that's why Abhan also knows how to play cricket and also knows how to do parkour.
I told
No, yeah, you can tell each other, but not on the camera, okay? I don't want people. Look at this. Look at this. Babies are. Check out. What are the babies doing? Huh? Gigi, beta.
There are 2 roads to it.
Yeah, I know. I know. We will take the scary area. Okay.
Go through the stairs.
Assalamu alaikum.
No, Viva, I want to
Look at the babies. Guys. Best of luck. Best of luck. Guys, listen to me. Hey, boys. Nobody's listening to me. It's okay, Meri Jaan. It's okay. Let them have fun. ये है वही जगह आ गए हम गुजरे थे जहाँ से कभी हम मैंने गलत पढ़ा है बहुत ही इंटेलेक्चुअल बातें चल रही हैं दोनों वालिद के दरमियान अबान के और जुहान के मगर मैं बच्चों के साथ ज़रा बिज़ी हूँ तो इसलिए मैं उसका हिस्सा नहीं बन सकता अच्छा जी यहाँ पे 2 हजरात वर्जिश की टेक्निक्स के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं पहलवान लग रहे हैं Prohan, is that your secret hideout? I knew it. Yeah, guys. That's amazing. Yeah, you guys are on the top. Wow, that's very nice. You're stuck. So you have to figure out a way to get out of it. Asha Prohan, this was your secret hideout. Yeah, man. Zavi knows about this. We come here all the time.
I only come here in Eid.
In Eid, why?
I asked my dad.
Acha, okay. That is probably because dad is busy. You call dad?
We go.
You call your Baba dad?
Oh my god.
Huh? What do you call? Baba? Abba?
Baba.
Baba. That's
Look, I'm clapping.
This is the first time? That's a first time for everything, guys. Why don't you all three of listen to me? All 3 of you. Wait, are you okay? Are you stuck? Huh?
My leg.
No. Guys, listen to me. All 3 of you go up on the top together. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, guys, sit here. I'll take a photograph of you guys.
I'm going like this. Oh, I can see it.
यार एक पिक्चर लेना इनकी ये इस पे रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है जरा guys sit हाँ Prohan come back up हाँ no don't sit you just stay you keep standing like that
Yeah, see here.
yeah these are memories man
I'm on the last one. Look.
yeah that's amazing अच्छा look in the camera this is going to be a memory
Amar, आप कैसे पहुंचे?
after 10 or 20 years you guys will look back and you're going to enjoy, inshallah. Oh, he did it himself, and even he turned around himself. But I think he'll need help to come down. Huh? I have it. Acha, guys, come. Let's go to a very cool, scary area.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm calling every area scary and they are not scary at all.
Acha, you just look at that area.
This.
But listen to me. You. Acha, wait. Zavi, all three of us will go together. All four of us. 5 of us. Chalo, come. Yeah, all of us. Come here. Listen to me.
Look.
All three, little babies, listen to me. Come here. Stand here. Listen to me. Listen to me. Now we are about to, Zohan, come here. Now we are about to go into that area. That area is very scary. So you guys have to listen to everything I say, okay?
No.
Don't.
Nothing is scary for us.
Come, Ajo.
But those giants are not playing with.
The giants are playing and we have nothing to do with the giants. Ajo, Baba. Oh yeah. Acha. Let's take that route over there. Zavi, slow down, guys. You have to be with me. Walk around with me, okay? Oh ho ho ho. Oh. Yeah, we are entering into a scary area. Zavi, not over there. Zavi, Aban, here. Yeah. Acha, first of all, Zavi, wait, Zavi, wait. I told you no running. And Prohan is also coming. You all have to go together. First of all, hold on. Wait. Come here. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillah rahmanir rahim. Yes, we are entering your area, jinns. So please do not come in our lives. रोमाना बाजी, अगर यार मैंने गलत पढ़ दी है तो यार मेरे जान का आसाब नहीं बन जाएगा, प्लीज़ माफ़ कर दीजिएगा मुझे. जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर, शुक्रिया. आगे जाके वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. Listen to me. You be careful. There's an uncle and an auntie sitting over there. No, we will not go from there. This is a better area, and we will not try to make a video of them. Okay, I will shift my camera in the other direction so that they are not shown in our camera. Listen to me, guys. Why? Acha. Chalo, let me pause the video right here. Acha, listen. We will come here in the end. Over here, we will come in the end and we will make an interview of all of you. Come here. Aban, first we will go there. Yeah. Now be very careful over here, okay? There is too much grass. Listen, stay close to me, please. There can be snakes over here. Shh. Listen to me. Be careful. I have... Snakes don't need to hear you. They sense you. Even if you're walking on the ground, they can hear. Be careful. Don't... and you guys need to be together with each other. Maybe they are everything over here, but if you be careful, nothing bad will happen. But that is a dried poop. That's fine. It's a dried poop. It's okay. You will find poop here everywhere because there are dogs in this park.
Will you be silent?
Okay, sir. No, because it's a very old poop. It's 1,000 years old poop. Yeah, 1,000 years old poop. Because dogs live here, beta.
Not ready to let dog bite. Be
Yeah.
careful of these grass. They bite.
You guys, look, another poop. I think, like we live in Pakistan, this is Poopistan. Or like there is America, this is paprika. Or like if it's China, it's pupina.
No, it's potty stuff.
Or if it's India, it's pupia.
No, yeah, India's potty.
Okay.
India's nothing.
No. Don't say anything bad about any country. Every country is good. Chalo.
But this is
Acha.
poop is
Acha, listen. Take this route. This is better.
and
Chalo.
This is dangerous.
No, this is not at all dangerous.
Because of this, I'm in the savannah.
Yeah. Where the Zavi, he's using a word. Do you know what is this?
Savannah.
Do you know what is a savannah?
Lions live.
Yes, the lions live in. Oh, no, Zavi, no. Come on. We are going to the end of this savannah. Zavi, it's a very important thing. Listen to me. The savannah looks just like this, where the lions live. The tiger lives in the yes. The lions live in the savannah, and the tigers, they live in the jungle. That is why now a lot of people are starting to say that lion is not the king of the jungle. The tiger is the king of the jungle. Because the lion doesn't even live in the jungle. He lives in the savannah.
Dens are in the lion.
Yeah.
But every time the lion lives in the savannah, but sometimes it lives in the den.
Okay. I will ask you all these questions when we reach the end of this journey.
No running! No running!
Nahi, Zavi, you three are big brothers. Take care of the little brother. Come on. Keep the little brother with you. Yes. You guys have to take care of the little brother. Oh, the real adventure is about to start now, you know? Ah, burnt poop. 1,000 years old burnt poop. Come. Now. No. Don't say that. Oh, come on. Don't say these things. Sheesh. Quiet. Acha, listen to me. Now the real adventure. You know where are we going? Come here. Let me show you. Bus. Hold on. There are stairs. Be careful. Very carefully walk these stairs. Ji. Zavi, guys, walking on such stairs, always walk like this. Look, on the sideways, so that you guys don't fall down.
अबान आराम से स्लो अबान रेस नहीं है
Aban, sideways. Aban, beta, sideways. This way you will not fall. Okay, this used to be my secret hideout. When I used to be 18 years old, I used to come here. Acha, hold on. First, I will go downstairs. Zavi, stay here. First, I will go down. Hold on. First, I will go down. Wait a minute. I will first go down. Let me pause. Guys, okay, mashallah. Watch your feet. Yes, very nice. Great. Good job.
कोई जल्दी नहीं है
Acha, I will help the little baby first.
I will help him.
Zavi, you stand over there. Your friends are coming. Acha, yeah. Always help your friends. Very nice. Good job. Very good job. Okay.
किडनी हिल पर यहाँ करा दिया नहीं आपने जब किडनी
अच्छा ये किडनी हिल से नीचे है ये वाला पार्क पता है
I saw it.
चलो भाई मजा आया अच्छा guys listen to me don't go in the edge look at this area isn't it cool
Eagle.
yeah
Let's go that
and hey wait you know when I was 20 years old I used to come here and I used to sit here I used to bring my breakfast my dry fruits and I used to sit here. Listen to me. I used to sit here and I used to be all alone and I used to enjoy. Oh, it was a really. You don't have to go all the way back there, Zavi. Zavi, we are going over there in the opposite direction. Yeah. Give this to me. Acha. Give this. We are going to the edge.
Can you give me this?
Give it to him, Zavi. Let your friend see it. Zavi, give it to him. Here.
No, it's a stick.
भाई खानदानी ताल्लुकात भी निकला है.
अच्छा यार ये सारे इंजीनियर्स एक दूसरे से कहीं ना कहीं जाके मिल ही जाते हैं.
Oh, we got one of them there.
हैं? हाँ नहीं listen to me.
Snakes home.
Yeah, it could be. So we are not disturbing the snakes. Walk on this area. Look, this is the path. And Zavi, you are at the close. No. Stay there, because this could be slippery and we can fall down.
देखो पहले कोई गिरा था एक दफा फिर वो वापस नहीं आ सका.
You cannot die, but you will get very badly injured. Please. Be very careful. When you will be younger, na, you could do an adventure. You could. मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के ना 4 साल पहले 5 साल पहले यहाँ व्लॉग बना रहा था उधर कोने में. तो यहाँ पे ना एक बंदा ऊपर चढ़ता हुआ आया. तो यहाँ से चढ़ सकते हैं, मतलब कि ऐसा मसला नहीं है. हाँ. यार मैं चाहता बहुत था कुछ हो, लेकिन कुछ हुआ नहीं. चलो मतलब this is the area you can climb. It's not difficult. No, you cannot go. I'm just telling you that when you guys will be older, then you can go.
But you just said younger.
मतलब कि older than us.
What do you mean?
नहीं, sorry, older than your current age.
Number one.
The crazy thing is,
Almond.
now look at this. Isn't this area crazy? नहीं उतरना नहीं है. हम ये मैं तो वहां तक भी जाता था, लेकिन मैं इन बच्चों को वहां नहीं लेके जाऊंगा. स्लिपरी. हाँ वो स्लिपरी है. नहीं बाबा, this is not my writing.
No one.
But look at this यार. Look at this area. Isn't this really cool?
You can sit down.
मेरा घर होना है यहाँ पे. मैं डेली यहाँ ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ हूँ. लिटरली सच
यार
बता रहा
आप ले लो और उसमें मुझे थोड़ी सी जगह दे देना, व्लॉगिंग के लिए, बैठने के लिए.
Oh, look.
हूँ. बना दिया.
They put a secret button
यार
and we could.
ये जगह मुझे इतनी पसंद है ना यार.
अब्बा ने बना के दे दिया.
जी बेटा.
अब हम लोग
It's
जी
so
बेटा.
difficult now.
There's a secret button here. We can fall into a secret room.
Yeah, we can imagine anything. We can imagine anything.
Small cracks.
अच्छा बस you remember one thing guys, you cannot go any further from here. Just be here please.
32, 33.
Don't pull or snatch anything from each other.
He's in taekwondo only.
Look at this stuff one by one.
I almost got hurt in the face.
Oh, but with the stick, guys, give this stick to me. You guys, Zavi. हाँ, let me handle it, okay?
Right
अच्छा, why don't you guys listen to me?
Take pictures.
हाँ, sit here. All three of you sit here. Let's take a memory.
Look what I found.
Yeah.
बस
अच्छा, listen to me. Sit.
There has a plus on it.
Yeah.
Egg.
पीछे
Okay. Listen to me. Guys.
Show me eggs.
Eggs. They may be lizard eggs or maybe.
Oh,
Come
don't
on.
touch that.
Come here. Zavi, come here. Zavi Jan, come here.
I'm looking at
And look over here.
To take a picture
Sit over
of you
there,
guys.
and your direction should be over here. Sit. Imagine. Zohan Baba, sit over there and look in this direction and don't lean in the back, please. You guys can fall. Chalo bhai.
Wow, nice.
Give a Power Ranger. Oh, Power Rangers. Oh. The Power Rangers are here. Very nice. Aban, don't go any back further. Chalo bhai.
चलो स्माइल करो.
So cool.
Yes, everyone smile. Yeah.
Stop. Now, Zavi, give an action. चलो.
कहने से कोई भी बच्चा नहीं करता तो गधे पे.
अच्छा, now,
to go back to the eggs.
no, do the eggs. Okay, now you can explore the eggs for a while, but don't touch them. अच्छा, now look at this. Look at the cool area that we are going to take to go back. Hey? We are going to go back all the way. Look, such a cool mountain. Come on, let's climb this small hill. Chalo. Yeah, man. You just came from there. Can you imagine? You guys did such a cool thing. अपनी जवानी में मैंने इस जगह को खूब एक्सप्लोर किया है, लेकिन मैं अपने बच्चे को नहीं करने दे सकता। जब ये भी जवान हो जाएगा तो करेगा, इसने जितना एक्सप्लोर करना है इंशाल्लाह ये करेगा। फिलहाल सेफ्टी के लिए मैं अपने बच्चे को अलाउ नहीं कर सकता, यही बहुत ख़तरनाक है भाई, मगर इतना तो ख़तरा हमें करना देना पड़ेगा अपने बच्चों को। देखो फंस गया मैं। नहीं गाइस, दिस इज द एरिया, दिस इज द एरिया, दिस इज द एरिया। या ना हियर यू विल जस्ट सी एंड देन यू विल रिकॉग्नाइज। सी
हो गया है कोई?
नहीं अभी तक तो नहीं यार। चलो ये यू गाइस केम डाउन फ्रॉम हियर। या
हम नीचे नहीं, यहाँ से नहीं जा सकते।
जहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं, मुझे पता नहीं आगे की कंडीशन की, यहाँ पे घास फूस का क्या कंडीशन है। चलो आ जाओ जाविया आ जाओ, लेट्स एक्सप्लोर, आ जाओ लेट्स एक्सप्लोर समथिंग न्यू, आ जाओ लेट्स एक्सप्लोर अ न्यू एरिया। Yeah. Actually, I have explored, but I don't know. You have to be very careful. Look, they are very thorny bushes. So be careful of these. They have got very large thorns. Look. Aban's Baba got caught like a big fish. Yes. Be careful. Don't become a fish. And watch out your eyes. Watch out for your eyes. Come on. Be very careful. Yes, dodge these. You can imagine that you are in a jungle. This is so cool. This is
very rare.
yeah. Be careful of the edge, Aban. Look in front. Look in front. Yeah, you will cut the cactus and Aban, look in the front. Look in the front.
It looks
Yeah.
like a rattlesnake.
You guys are Dora the Explorers.
It's like a rattlesnake.
Yeah. 3 Dora the Explorers are here. 4.
We are not Dora.
Then who are you?
Well,
You are Mora?
nah,
Pora?
we are no one.
You are Pakoda. You are Pakodas the Explorers.
No, we are Pakora. Yeah, we are Pakora.
You guys are Pakoda the Explorers.
Okay.
अच्छा, oh really cool man. अच्छा, चलो भाई.
Go down. Bend down.
You know, one time me and Xavier, we went to Kidney Hill in such an area. We took a plier. We were cutting all these things. Xavier, remember that day?
Yeah.
We were cutting all these
Horn.
thorny. We were cutting all these thorny bushes. Okay, very cool. This is so cool. Wow, man. Are you okay? Watch your eyes.
Baba.
Are you okay?
What happened? You okay?
Aban, are you okay?
Are you crazy? Don't
Thank you so much. Bismillah.
Rattlesnake rattle.
अच्छा चले ये रास्ता है, ये ऊपर जाने का। एक मिनट ठहरे, समझने दें जरा। एक मिनट रुके।
ला आप ये लाठी और मोबाइल पकड़ाएं।
एक मिनट रुके। You guys stay here. Wait. Let me see. Let me see something. Wait. Bismillah. Wait, hold on. Let me check something. यार होगा तो सही, लेकिन बच्चों के साथ चांस नहीं लेते। चले चांस नहीं लेते क्योंकि देखो we don't know. If I was alone, I could have explored, but I cannot take chance with you guys. रुकिए। यार पता नहीं चल रहा मुझे। हाँ, चांस नहीं लेते यार, चलो वापसी कर लेते।
We have to go.
What do you say?
Yeah,
नहीं
good.
रास्ता ही नहीं है तो कहाँ से जाओगे?
हाँ नहीं रास्ता तो होगा लेकिन एक्सप्लोर करने का दिल नहीं कर रहा जावी लेट्स टेक दिस रूट एंड ट्राई टू क्लाइंब अप द माउंटेन
No.
ये रूट हम फिर भी कर
चलो चलो
It looks like a rattlesnake dragon. Look, I've captured a rattlesnake dragon.
चलो चलो
I know.
follow my footsteps.
Huh?
चलो 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 फॉलो द चाचू कम ऑन
Follow my dad.
Yeah, you guys hold each other. You guys are actually doing a real adventure today, you know? It's a real adventure. It's a really cool adventure because it's an area. Oh wow, we found a way. Cool, man. We actually found a way. What happened? Thorns, yeah, be carful of the. You give this stick to me so that you can use both of your hands. So yeah, so that you can use both of your hands. Now you can use. Chalo. Wait. Potty. Chalo.
Go there, you go.
Chalo, chalo, chalo. Go, go, go. 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 I'm right behind you guys. Come on. Be careful of these thorns. I will hold it. Chalo, go. Yeah, guys are doing a real adventure today, you know. This is amazing. I used to make dua to Allah Ta'ala that I need friends who come here with me. I never expected that I will come here with babies. Yeah,
Go, go, go. Be careful.
exactly 15 years ago I used to sit here and make dua ki Allah Ta'ala, when will I get friends who will explore these areas with me?
Ah,
Chalo, I'm right behind you guys.
yeah, there.
Acha, listen, when you are climbing uphill, Zavi, lean forward like this. Look, lean forward like this. This is the easy. Really cool, man. This is amazing. This is amazing.
Cheetos.
I have it.
What if it's
ये क्रॉप सर्कल्स हैं
Yeah, we are back in the civilization, man.
another dimension.
No, we're back.
हमने नई जगह डिस्कवर
Yes.
Give me my Cheetos.
It's in my pocket. You just leave it with
It
me.
will fall.
No, it will not fall. Chalo.
गाइस
Chalo, here, come here. Do this.
करो नहीं सब सारे साथ मिलाओ
So, Milo.
Yes.
Yes, I will also. Here. Here, Zavi, come.
वन
Yay!
नया ट्रैक किया है चलो
Chalo, bhai. That was some adventure. Zavi, don't run.
जो हम किडनी में करते थे हमने सब कुछ वो यहाँ किया है
Yes.
यार ये उमर निकाल के ले आता है
यार
भारी उमर
यार तो अब कोई और भी जगह एक्सप्लोर करनी चाहिए. अभी आपके पास अगर रिसोर्सेज हैं तो फ्रेयर हॉल के अंदर इजाजत दिलाओ ताकि हम अंदर बिल्डिंग एक्सप्लोर करें यार. अंदर वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप रिसोर्सेज के थ्रू अंदर जो है ना जा सकते हो बिकॉज नहीं क्योंकि वो नेशनल हेरिटेज है ना. अंदर लोग जाके खराब करते हैं. तब देखो हम जहाँ पे फंस गए थे रास्ता था हम आ सकते थे. हाँ लेकिन यहाँ से ना मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया था.
नहीं यहाँ कैक्टस सारे
ये देखिए यहाँ पे मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया था कि ये जो है ना घास हम इसे क्रॉस कर पाते या नहीं कर पाते. लेकिन अगर हम हिम्मत करते तो यहाँ oh look at that green bird. Can you see? I see a cool green bird on the tree. Can you see in front of you? Its head is moving.
No.
It's camouflage. Look. It's moving its head.
Yeah.
आपने
It's camouflaged. Let me see. Come here. I have a laser light. I will show you. Wait. Hold on. If it works, look. Follow the laser. Can you follow the laser?
I can see.
You see? There is the bird. This is the bird.
We can't see it.
Hey, look. Follow the laser.
We can't
Look
see
at the follow the laser here. Okay, no. Wait. Follow the laser.
You are where I saw it.
No, it's still there. Look, follow the laser. Follow the laser.
Like there. I saw it.
Yeah, here. This is the bird. This is the bird. This is where the laser is falling down.
Yeah.
That's a bird.
Wow, it looks so awesome.
Yeah. It's a crazy green bird, man.
I know what it is.
What is it?
A hummingbird.
No way!
Or a green
It's a green jay. Okay.
नजर ही नहीं आ रही।
हाँ ना वो कैमोफ्लेज हो रही है वहाँ पे भी बैठी हुई है यार।
It's like a forest bird.
It's not a parrot. It's something crazy. Oh! Look! ओए होए होए! ओए होए!
वाओ, क्या फ्लाइट की है इसने। अरे दो हैं वहाँ पे।
दो नहीं तीन है टोटल। ये वो वहाँ
मगर ये कोई किंगफिशर टाइप की चीज थी यार। किंगफिशर तो यहाँ नहीं हो सकती लेकिन
Found the trap.
track. Okay. Yeah, this was the track we could have taken, but we were scared for you guys.
We could have taken it.
We could have taken it, but we were scared. What?
Oh,
Oh yeah. There, I see two of them now.
I also.
They, oh now I see three of them. I see three of them now.
Oh, it's there. It's
Baby, they are husband, wife, and baby.
there.
Yeah. Why are you laughing? It's
I've
true.
seen your wife.
Oh, you've seen? No way.
मैंने तस्वीर ली है, बहुत खराब आई है।
अच्छा.
Seen your I want to see. Okay.
Wow. That's the best we can see of this bird.
I didn't see.
Look.
Wow. These are not pigeons. वो
Parrots नहीं है.
सही
They're
है।
hummingbirds.
They are something really crazy and cool.
They might be jinn. They might be jinn.
There can be anyone can be a jinn. Maybe one of us was left behind and some of us is a jinn and Xavier or Aban are the real Xavier and Aban are still there and maybe you guys
I feel I'm the real Xavier.
you feel maybe Usman my friend he's not real, maybe your Baba Usman is left behind.
I think I'm.
Oh yeah, what if I am the jinn?
But you can feel yourself. How about you attacking us?
Why would I attack you? Jinns don't attack, they just like to be with you. What?
तितली।
Wild butterfly.
बेटा,
White
तितली।
butterfly, yeah, cool.
अंग्रेजी तो स्कूल में बोल
Let's
जाते
go
हैं,
down.
तितली है।
Let's go down and see the birds.
You want to go down and see the birds?
Oh, see it's on here.
Oh, Jan, come here. You guys want to go and explore? Zavi, the green bird is over there. Look,
तितली।
Over where?
over there. Look in front of you. See in the tree.
That.
That. Can you? Yeah.
I saw it. Oh,
कितना कितना प्यारा उड़ रही है।
Mashallah. You guys want to go and explore that area just for 1 minute? Go.
Yeah.
Go and come back in 1 minute.
No, you are
जाना है अमर।
I'm looking at you guys.
That's intelligent.
White butterfly.
The butterflies cannot bite you or sting you. They are harmless. Butterflies are harmless. Chalo. They can only do one thing. They can sit on your nose and do potty.
You're so scared.
B? No. It will not do anything. Guys, go. Zavi and guys, every one of these insects are actually scared of you. They are not scaring you. They are scared of you. Go. They will not do anything. When you will step forward, they will actually come back.
Oh, get off me. Oh,
Gee,
that's the airplane I went in Lahore.
no way.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
What? The bird?
Yeah, I want to be loud. It will fly.
Ah, shh. No, it's not a parrot. Parrots don't fly like this. Oh, that is not a bird. That's a paper or something.
Died.
Someone didn't die here. It's just an old shoe. They left it here because they didn't want to use it anymore.
But no, look, the other stuff. There's a pet there. Look, there's a pet there.
Pet? Bed. Oh yeah, someone lives inside here.
Stone Age.
Not Stone Age. Oh my goodness, someone actually lives in here.
Look, even a bowl.
That's crazy, man.
Might be.
Oof. Just imagine someone actually lives in here. Chalo, let's go back. Chalo, let's go back.
Backpack.
Yeah, I saw a destroyed backpack.
I told my dad.
Yeah, you asked him to come and check it out. Okay,
Maybe someone has died right here, man.
someone has died right here, man. I don't think anyone has died over here.
Yes.
You think someone died here? Do you think? Who could it be?
Baby.
A baby died here. You think a baby used to live here?
Oh, it looks like like a woman.
It looks like a woman's house.
Like Gavya.
बेटा witch तो नहीं है यहाँ.
It could be a witch. It could be a witch. It could be a witch.
I'm gonna lift that dog and give me your stick. Give me your stick.
No, you cannot attack a witch with a stick. Acha, listen. Let me hold this stick. You guys don't hold it. Please leave it.
Where's your medicine?
Huh, Zavi, it's a medicine. Medicine.
ये ना,
Ooh.
सीधे कामों की जगह. नहीं,
Hey, Zavi, don't touch it. It can be poisonous. It can be acid, Zavi. No. Don't even. Ah. Chalo. Now, come over here. That's it. You guys can touch, but you have to be careful. No, it's okay. He knows. Zavi, what Chachu meant was that it could be acid. It could be alcohol. Oh, look at that. What is that? There's a golden eagle.
It just flew right in my face.
It was an owl. It's an owl.
Really?
Oh my God, we missed an owl, man.
I saw it. It came right in my face.
It was an owl.
It came right in
Oh,
my face.
shh. Maybe. Oh,
पत्थर चला
I
गया.
actually saw it.
yeah, it was an
Right in my
owl.
face.
Yeah, man.
It was white.
Yeah, it was so cool.
I
It,
didn't even see it. It was so fast. It went right.
yeah, we are actually in a real jungle, I think. I think we are in a real jungle.
I've got some good news and some bad news.
What is that?
The good news is there's no good news.
Oh, and what is the bad news?
news is we are lost.
We are not lost. Go.
What if we are?
No, we are not. Go straight.
The good news.
What happened, beta? Acha. Chale.
That was not an owl.
That was an owl, man.
That was a white.
That was why seagull cannot be here.
I didn't see seagull.
Acha, then
I said hawk.
hawk. Maybe it was a golden eagle. Maybe it was a golden eagle.
It was half gold. It was a little golden from the side.
Oh,
We living in there.
Who could be living in there? The maybe this is a place where
This is a
Uh,
place where you're not allowed
there are
to
homeless people who don't have a home, who don't have a family. They sometimes come and they live over here because they don't have. Sometimes people who do black magic, they also come here, and that could be a place where a black magician might be staying, because black magicians, they are supposed to be in scary places.
That was not scary.
Not scary?
was.
Imagine in the night. Imagine this area in the night, at night time.
I think
It would be very scary in the night time.
there would be
Who wanted to come with Baba?
something just fell on my watch.
Yeah? Sort?
Something came on my
Zohan, Baba's asking you something.
It looks like some. On my watch.
He's not answering. Maybe he's thinking कि if I say no, then everyone will think I'm scared. If I say yes, then Baba will bring me.
Yes.
You want to come here at the night? No. Ji meri jaan.
What's this on my watch?
That is fog. Ajo.
I'm not gonna come in the night.
It will not. Haan ji.
I'm not gonna come in the night time.
Uh-huh.
I'll sleep in the night
गाड़ी
time.
खड़ी करेंगे ना मेरे
Okay.
पास.
How smart are
गाड़ी
they?
खड़ी करेंगे ना, गाड़ी ऐसे खड़ी करेंगे, गाड़ी के डैशबोर्ड पे धूप पड़े और उसको वहाँ सामने रख देना, तो ये सब निकल जाएगा.
आइए इधर से आइए इधर से आइए.
I understand.
Guys, I want to tell you something. When I was all alone, I used to come here. I'm so happy and proud to be here with you guys. Really, I never ever thought.
इतना अकेले कहाँ
या
पहले मुझे ये
मैं यही तो भाई मैं यहाँ पे अकेले फिरता था. मैं सोचता था कि यार मेरे कब दोस्त होंगे, मेरी कब बेगम जो है इस तरह के शौक रखेगी, कोई ऐसी बेगम होगी मेरी. मुझे नहीं पता था कि मुझे जो है बच्चे मिलेंगे इतने जबरदस्त कूल जो मेरे साथ आएंगे, इस एरिया में आके बैठेंगे मेरे साथ. Just be careful of the let it be. I'm going to take an interview of you guys on this cliff over here.
लेके नहीं जा सकते.
Here.
So we are going back.
Here on this cliff.
No, we we are going back that way.
Yeah, so
Dad.
नहीं, that's the same place where we came from.
गोदी में ले लूं आपको गोदी में ले लूं आपको
You fine? What happened? थक गए? पानी
बस
अब चल रहे हैं
After that, we are going for halwa puri.
yeah, after that
Halwa puri.
I think the amount of exercise you guys have done, you will eat 10 puris.
Yeah.
45. Come here. अच्छा 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 I will over here I'm setting the camera.
Other people go in the other car and jump in our class car.
Yeah we will do something about that. Okay, wait a minute.